Hello beautiful people, welcome to Bomb Kids TV. So today's video is going to be over this Kinky natural super black girl friendly unit from Nadula hair. Nadula, thank you so much for sending over this wig. I've had a lot of Kinky units, but this one takes the cake, I believe. I think this one takes the cake. So as you guys can see, it curled really easily. I did this with a flat iron in like 10 minutes. The curling part was super quick, super easy. And I bleached the knots for like 20 minutes. It was already pre-plucked. I plucked a little bit, maybe for like 2 seconds, but no method to my madness. I literally was just plucking. And yeah, I feel like it melted very easily. This is glueless, so you guys will see in a second. There's an adjustable strap that you can adjust to the tightness of your head to kind of make sure that it's more snug. And if you want a little extra security, if you have some spritz or got to be, you can spritz that down and then tie it with the headband, the lace band that comes with your wig, just for a little extra security, which is what I did because why not? You know, so it's still good to go, but if I wanted to yank it off right now, I could, because it's just hairspray. It's not glue or anything. So it is glueless. This is what it looks like. This is the style I chose. Super cute, super fun. 2 pigtails, which is still like a half up, half down type of deal. I am going to take it down so you guys can still see what it looks like down. To me, it's giving super natural. It looks like I just got a blowout. Like my hair is natural and I got a blowout. So this is the hair down. Isn't it pretty? And then if you wanted to wear it up in a ponytail, you could. If you wanted to do straight half up, half down like that, you could. I will throw it up in a ponytail real quick just so you guys can see. If you want to give like I have healthy hair, but I still have long hair, then this is the unit for you. Like I'm a natural girl. Like this is so freaking cute. You know what I mean? And just boom. So very versatile. It's not a 360, but it did have lace in the back that you could cut to like make it look more natural. But yeah, you can do you a little top knot, just swing it around, boom, you got a bun. I just showed y'all like 3 styles in less than 5 minutes. Don't play with it, okay? But no, for real, Nadula, thank you so much for sending over this wig. If you guys have any more wigs coming up in your close nearby campaign, make sure you shoot me an email because I'll be more than happy to work with you guys again. I love the low maintenance, easy, fresh out the box type of wigs. I'm not some guru. I do it for the beginner friendly gals. So I really appreciate when you send me something that's truly beginner friendly. So anyways, if you like to see how we melted this glueless lace and did our pigtail style, then just keep on watching.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this business for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in. I've been on to you. Nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you. I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Way you looky lost, I know you got 'em feeling focused on that center. I hit it till you tense, come back down to keep it real. So good, I lock it down, I cop a crystal for that finger. Got them bitches living, but that shit ain't no thing, cause I mean it when I say I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. I'm with you all the way. Just in a town, I'm on the edge, I ain't coming down. I get too high, I'm afraid of the ground. I'm young and I'm paid to play with these sounds. Ignoring the call, she shutting that gown. Started at the top and I'm taking it down off the champagne. Took a break from the brown on a rampage, I been giving it brown. Shawty been solid some time now. On my line for the wine, dine and I'm with it. Look where we started and look where we at. I can see where we headed, but I can't see me finish. 3 years ago I was down on my last, was stuck at the crib. I couldn't get out of my bed, then I realized it's all in my head. And I can't go back to the past, yeah. Except now I'm moving, put all in the music for more like a movement is brewing. I cannot picture us losing. I'm sharp when I shoot it, the world is my tutor. She wanna lay block in public, but know that I'm published, we settle for safety. Not in the street, but I'm on the same muscle, that schedule been driving her crazy. They talk like they know me, but know that they bluffing unless it's somebody that pays me. Keep minding your business, the money been printed, my nigga just gotta go get it. I'm in the zone through the winter. I'm trying to see Rome, see Venice. I'm at the summit, I'm thumbing my budget, my nigga. It's nothing, just part of my image. I need a minute. I know they live it, admit it, I'm teed up. Little baby, she a teaser. Tell her to follow the leader. I put that weight on my shoulders, so let's run up the check in my DJ. Really not nobody real, it feel like the stars align and you can see, yeah. Just look at the drip, niggas is lit. I've been on 10, I've been on 10. I'm active, yeah, yeah. Sliding a thing, tell them to step back, cause I'm out of their range. I'm batting again, yeah, I'm active again, yeah. Niggas is jaded, they tangled in feelings. I'm on a wave, I know that they hate it. Raises to high, ain't nobody really. I'm gifted, won't trade it for nothing, I'm in it. I get deposits, so I keep it cautious. No cash at the crib, everything been legit. I keep it solid, I know they gon' talk when I get it. They claim they're part of this shit, but I'm dolo with it, bitch. I'm chasing the riches, the riders, the Hail Mary to the Benjamins. Niggas is mad, they cynical. They hate in your heart, waste your energy. They want what we on, they envy, don't pay it no mind. Too focused on enemy. My soul's too pure to have enemies, so I hope you can find you some inner peace. I need a minute.